Life cycle of plants has two separate phases, a haploid gametophytic and a diploid sporophytic phase. Here, a multicellular gametophyte, which is haploid with one set of chromosomes or half the number of chromosomes represented by N, alternates with a multicellular sporophyte, which is diploid with two sets of chromosomes or full set of chromosomes represented by 2N. Let's see the life cycle of a plant starting with the sporophyte. A mature sporophyte produces spores by meiosis, a process which reduces the number of chromosomes to half. The haploid spores germinate and grow into a haploid gametophyte. At maturity, the gametophyte produces gametes by mitosis, which does not alter the number of chromosomes. Two gametes fuse to produce a diploid zygote, which develops into a diploid sporophyte. In this way, the sporophytic and the gametophytic phases alternate with each other. This phenomenon is called alternation of generations. The lengths of the haploid and diploid phases and whether these phases are free-living or dependent on others vary among the different groups in plants. Let's see the alternation of generations in the fern Onoclea sensibilis. The diploid sporophyte will produce bead-like structures containing groups of sporangia bearing haploid spores. Each haploid spore will germinate into a haploid gametophyte, which is a flat thallus. From this gametophyte, zygote is produced by the fusion of gametes. And from the zygote, a young diploid sporophyte is produced, which you can see as a small leaf-like structure in this picture. The young sporophyte will grow into a matured sporophyte and the life cycle, the alternation of generations, continues.